For over 80 years, Oglebay Institute's Environmental Education Department has dedicated itself to bringing individuals and families closer to nature. As population increases and our demands for energy and natural resources grow, it is imperative that we learn sustainability. With the completion of the Schrader Center in 2000, West Virginia's first green building, the ideals of preservation, education, and inspiration are stronger than ever. At Nature Day Camp, children explore their environment through a variety of themes. Outdoor experiences and hands-on activities help promote not only campers' choices for a healthy lifestyle, but more importantly, upon leaving the camp, they are equipped and empowered by creativity to express to adults the wonders of nature and the role humans have during this precious time on Earth.
Favorite pizza topping, go!
Pepperoni! Pepperoni! Pepperoni!
Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's start with this big group right here. What do you guys? Alright. Anybody else pepperoni? Alright. How about thyme? Mushroom. Any other mushrooms? No? What are you ladies? Cheese, please. Alright, and Mia? Black olives. Now you guys got the gist of the game. Mingle, mingle. Find somebody you don't know. Water is something that applies to everybody, too. Everybody deals with water. Not everybody deals with rocks. Not everybody deals with volcanoes, but all of us deal with water in some way, shape, or form. So it's pertinent to everybody.
Oh, they loved it. Initially, we only signed them up for 1 week, but they liked it so much that they wanted to come back again. So this was the week that they could all three come together, and because some of the other classes were full.
Yeah.
So, but they absolutely have loved it.
So your child was teaching you guys.
How to build fire.
So be very wary. There are people right behind you. Still be here when she comes through.
All day long, I'm sitting singing songs for everyone. Sit beside a mountain stream, see her waters rise. Listen to the pretty sound of music as she flies.
Man down.
Do 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 do.
They're making disc ones. You put glue on them and glitter, then you have one glow, party blower.
Oh, that's
I'm trying to talk to you about what the pros are about fire, and sometimes it's not is that it provides warmth, it can purify water, and cook and preserve food.
was a good public speaking experience in a nice, safe environment, and I was really proud of them.